Hello friends, welcome to the making of Spider-Man survival game in Scratch, and we are currently in the part 6, and in this video we are going to make the Spider-Man get hit by the bullet from the enemy, and we will make some bullet hit animation for Spider-Man and also decrease the health of the Spider-Man. So we have to create a health variable and we will decrease the health of the Spider-Man too. So if you guys are new to this tutorial, you guys might need to watch from the part first and come back here later, and for the rest of us, let's start. First of all, let me show you what we have done so far. If I click in the green flag, then the enemy start hitting the bullets, yeah, and then right now we don't have any effect and there is no health bar for the Spider-Man, and our Spider-Man can walk around and also shoot the enemy bullets, and enemy die when they are hit by the web balls. And there is a small error while shooting the bullets, so let's fix this small error from the previous part, and we will also make the new variable called health variable for the Spider-Man. So first of all, let's fix the error. The error was when we shoot the bullet, both the bullet start shooting at the same time. Look, if I click on the green flag, and now look, the Spider-Man's both enemies are shooting the bullets at the same time. Yeah, so let me fix it. So to fix this issue, we need to go to enemy 2. Yeah, and here in the enemy 2 we actually haven't shoot the bullet in here. Yeah, in define shoot we haven't broadcasted anything, but in the enemy, in the shoot function or the block, we have defined broadcast bullet fire. Yeah, and if we are in the bullet, then here when I receive bullet fire, create a clone of myself, and this code gets executed. And in the bullet 2 also same thing, if I receive bullet fire, yeah, so when this enemy starts firing, then this bullet also starts going from this place, so we don't want that. Yeah, so this bullet needs to be fired by this enemy. So let's fix the issue. To fix the issue, we go to the enemy 2, and here we are going to do the same thing. Go to events menu, drag a broadcast and wait block just above the switch costume block for the shoot block, and here we are going to write a new message called bullet bullet to fire. Click OK, and now we have broadcasted the bullet to fire from this enemy. And now in the bullet 2 we are going to receive the message bullet to fire, not the bullet fire. Okay, so here we are going to just click bullet to fire. Now the bullet is independent of enemy 1 or this enemy. So let's see, if I click on the green flag, now look, this enemy fires and this enemy fires independently. Yeah, okay, now let's make the effect of the bullet to the Spider-Man. Yeah, for that let me go to Spider-Man, and here we are going to create our health variable. First of all, let's delete these unwanted blocks from the screen only. Okay, so let me go to variable, and I don't want Spider-Man direction, I'll just uncheck it. And this one also immediate, it might be in the enemy where did, yeah, okay, so I've only placed state variable and score variable here for display. And next go to Spider-Man costume or the sprite, and next let's go to variables and make a variable, and this one we are going to call it HEALTH health, HEALTH health. Click OK, and we have our health variable. Let me just place it in the middle here and double click it, again double click it. Okay, this looks good for health bar. And now from the same variables menu, drag a set health block just below the set ideal set state block, and just make the health to 100. So when we click on the green flag, our health will go to 100 like this. Yeah, the health of the Spider-Man will be 100. And now if the bullet hits the Spider-Man, then the health needs to start decreasing. For that, let's go to bullet first, and here we have already if block that checks if it's touching the Spider-Man or not. And here we are going to just write or go to variable menu and drag a change health by variable block just above the delete this clone block. Yeah, so if it's touching the Spider-Man, we are going to change the health by -5. And also let's drag another block from this variable menu called set variable block and drag it below the change health by block, and we are going to set the variable state. Okay, so as the enemy or the Spider-Man will be hit by the bullet, then we will call this state, set the state to HIT hit. Okay, like this. And we are going to do the same thing for the bullet 2 also. So let's go to bullet 2, and here also we are going to do the same thing, change health by -5, and also set the state variable to hit. And that's it. Let's see, if I click on the green flag and the bullet is hidden and our health gets decreased. Yeah, and it's -80 right now. So we need to check if the health is less than 0 or not. So we won't be doing right now. So now let's create the effect of the bullet. That means an animation that will look like the Spider-Man got hit by the bullet. For that, let's go to first of all click on the Spider-Man costume or the sprite. Next, go to costume. So we don't have the bullet hit costume for the Spider-Man. Yeah, it says running, idle position, and shooting. So let's upload the bullet hit costume for the Spider-Man. For that, let's go to choose a costume. No, back. We need to upload our own costume. So let's go to upload costume, and here I've got the hit costume right here. Click on the hit costume, click open. So if you guys want these costumes, just comment on my video, and or you can contact me in the Discord where I put my username on the link, on the description, or I will also put the these costume links in the description also. So this is the hit costume that we need to switch to when it's hit by the bullet. So let's go back to codes, and we are in the Spider-Man. Yeah, and let's create a block. So click on my blocks, and we are going to make a new block called HIT hit animate and animation. Click OK. So drag this defined hit animation block here, and we are going to go to looks, and next switch the costume, drag switch a costume to hit. Yeah, and after that go to control. Let's wait for about 0.1 seconds, and after that let's go to variable menu and drag a set variable block, and set the state to which state we want, ideal. After we have been hit, then we will set the state to ideal. Okay, and that's it, I think. Now we need to play this hit animation costume. So where do we play? We just go upwards here, and there is a forever loop here where we have checked our state. Yeah, right now we only have checked the state equals to ideal or not. So let's go to control, drag if block, just put it inside the forever loop like this, and let me just drag copy this condition in this new if block, and we are going to check for if the state is hit. And if it's hit, the state is hit, we are going to run this block. For that, let's go to my blocks and go upwards and drag the hit animation right around here, and I think that's it. Let's see now. So let's play, and if it's hit, look, it's getting hit. Yeah, and the effects look cool too. And if I play, and if it's hit by the bullet, and this is how we play the hit animation by using states. So this much for this video, guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I will see you in the next part. Thank you, guys.